So, we've been working on this internal model where the blockchain is basically the security layer for AI as it contacts the real world. And then the flip side of that is you need trustworthy data for AI decision making systems to operate on. So if I'm going to have an AI value a piece of real estate, or I'm going to have an AI figure out whether this bicycle is safe to ride, what I want is to be able to make sure that that AI is given fully trustworthy data on the way in, so you don't have, for example, corrupted sensors giving back untrustworthy information because somebody has thrown everything through a filter before the AI camera touches it. Right? You can't
Yeah.
have garbage in, garbage out with AI systems, right? Um, so that approach, what it gets us is, a foundation for an AI optimization of the global economy. If we can get all of the real estate in America into an AI system and all the transactions happen basically instantaneously, then that's the equivalent of building, I don't know, 500,000, 1,000,000, 2,000,000, 5,000,000 new houses because you don't have these long vacancy periods.